While my 32 watt tube receiver project is almost completed, I guess it's time to think about the new project. You see here I have laid the tubes which I plan to implement for my next project. As you might guess, this will be a push-pull integrated amplifier, which will be based on 4 6v6 power tubes. These are very nice new old stock tubes produced by Fivre, the Italian company Fivre. Those 6v6 power tubes will be laid in push-pull configuration with fixed bias, which I really like. I still need to design, of course, but I guess that two 6v6 power tubes in fixed bias configuration can give about 18-20 watt of clean power. As one of the main highlights for my new project, I plan to deploy a tube rectifier other than silicon rectifier. As you can see, this is a very nice 5Z3 tube rectifier produced by the Italian Marconi company. I still need to decide if to deploy this one, 5Z3, which is very nice, also aesthetically, or a slightly higher power 5U4. I will need to again decide based on the number I will achieve in my simulations. The two phase splitters you can see here for the two channels, left and right, of course. Those will be based on 12 SN7 tubes by RCA. These are very nice new old stock tubes. I still need to define the detailed design for the first power amplifier gain stage and for the preamplifier. But I'm pretty sure the preamplifier will be based on EF86 tubes. The preamplifier will include a phono preamplifier for the turntable as well. As I believe the second main highlight for the project, I plan to deploy these two particular tubes. These are two magic eye tubes which will show the instantaneous output power with a very nice green glow. You might remember this kind of tubes was extensively deployed on vintage radio. And they used to show the strength of the received radio signal. In this case, the utilization will be a little bit different. They will sort of act as a VU meter, but again implemented with those Russian, in this case, magic eye tubes. So I just wanted to give you a quick preview of my next project. Of course, stay tuned for the next updates, and thank you very much for your attention.